Yo, what's good, Sean niggas? We back with another video. Today we're talking about the 48 Laws of Power again. Told you I'd make this a series when we do the 48 Laws of Power book analysis. And we'll be doing Law 2. And this one is called Law 2 is it, it is best to use your enemies than your friends. Alright. So I mean obviously, yeah, I think we all know that this is a very applicable thing that we can use. Now, whether or not it's true, that's the question. I mean, like, let's look at it like this: with your friends, you know what I'm saying? You know, you got each other's backs and all that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you got each other's backs. You grind towards a certain goal. You know, you both agree on a certain goal, and you grind. You get to the goal, right? But there's just only one problem with that. There's a chance that he can double cross you, because his friends, having friends. I mean, we all have friends. I like to believe we all have friends or we're in a group of people that we share the same things we do. But the only problem is that they know more of us than anybody in the world, ex- excluding ourselves. Because with them, we open up to them, we talk about our personal stuff with them. So with them, they can easily double cross us if they wanted to, right? Now people will be like, well, they people don't double cross me. Well, because there's no aim, there's no, there's nothing to gain from doing that. You know what I'm saying? In the world, time means about everything. You don't just double cross people before they get the fame. No, you get it. You double cross them after they get the fame, so you get something in return. You know what I'm saying? Like, for example, female nature, right? It states that a woman shall stay with a man. Okay, no, let me say it like that. There's a law. There's a rule. There's a saying. Women want champions. Women don't like the process. They rather wait for the finish line and pick the champions. You know what I'm saying? They don't care about the process. They don't care. Or my family's broke. Or you had deep insecurities about yourself. You know what I'm saying? They don't care. This one I care. Are you confident? Are you rich? And you gain money? That's all. If yes, cool. Alright. If not, move on. You know what I'm saying? So with enemies, timing, they can easily, your friends can use you without you knowing. This is why with people that you, this is why with people that you don't know, or you regard as enemies, or you just don't know, you're not comfortable with, your guard is up. And with your guard up, you know, like, okay, you shouldn't get comfortable with this guy. You should just get the work done and we go. You know what I'm saying? Get the work done and we go. Now the problem with this one too is like if you read the law of success, right? The law of success, you will know about the mastermind. You will know that there's something called the mastermind, and the mastermind you gotta work in harmony. And that, my friends, is not harmony. That is not harmony. That's what you call forced relationships. Like for example, uh a company can have a board full of directors, and these directors can work with each other only when they have to. Only when they have to come in for the board meetings and discuss, okay, what are the goals for the year, for the market year for the company. You know what I'm saying? That's when they gotta work together to achieve those goals. But after that, there's nothing else. There's nothing after that. Like we ain't help. We don't want to work with each other. You know what I'm saying? So with that, again, which one would you pick? Which one would you pick? Your enemies, where you know these are your enemies. There's a chance that they can double cross your ass, right? And you know you more than likely you're gonna find ways to plan for that just in case. You know what I'm saying? Or your friends, where you have full belief in that they won't double cross you, but there's always that small chance that someone can become a fake friend and double cross you and take all the recognition you get out of accomplishing a goal, take all the fame, the income. You know what I'm saying? This is why, like, when you think success people don't successful people don't have that many friends. They have friends, but then even then, they ain't like this, like that. They ain't talking to each other like this, bro. They are focusing on themselves. We come together just to unwind, you know what I'm saying? Talk about the little achievements, you know what I'm saying? Like, hey, I just got this done, you know what I'm saying? Good shit. And then they accomplish each other, you know what I'm saying? They bring up each other, you know what I'm saying? With enemies, it's way much better to get to get what you need out of what out of the person. With friends, like I can talk about all why it's important to use enemies and friends all day, like but then the last one I'm gonna use is the last one I'm gonna use is let's say don't do business with family or don't do business with friends and family. Why is that? Because they think that because you're friends they can move in. You know what I'm saying? This is why this is why when you do business with your family, they feel like when you set up a meeting, they might come late. They might not take it seriously because you're there. They know you behind the scenes. Behind the scenes, they're with you. In front of the scenes, they're with you, so they know who you are. So they can easily, if they want to, they can disrespect you by coming late, disrespect you by putting in less work, or putting in unsatisfactory work. You know what I'm saying? So this is why being powerful is all about making sacrifices, and being making sacrifices sometimes involves just fucking moving the family. You know what I'm saying? Not just letting them don't you involve them in anything. Alright guys, you know what I'm saying? That was it for this video. Lord 2, hopefully lots of power. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, comment down below what other videos you would like to like next, or which other books. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, just like, comment, subscribe. All up back at your boy. Shit.